So today I try to explain how I went from just playing simple melodies that I just copied like this to playing more beautiful songs like this. In just 1 year. And just a little disclaimer, I learned to play piano for 12 years just before that year because I just always wanted to learn piano or just play the piano beautifully, but I just didn't have any structure on how to learn. I didn't know what is the right thing to do. Like, do you need to learn the piano professionally? Do you need to learn songs? Do you need to watch YouTube videos in order to learn the piano? Like, it was so unclear for me, and it was really hard to learn the piano, especially come up with both hands together and all those stuff that you're probably also struggling with. So it took me a long time just to figure out how to learn the piano, and now I have this privilege to teach students the piano on YouTube for free, and in my courses I have a course that is just for $27 out there. So if you want, you can check that out in the description, but of course you don't have to. I just came together with this little piece of paper. I took 2 hours to just come up with all the things that I would have needed in the beginning, that I would have loved to hear from someone to just like tell me how to learn the piano and how to come up with learning songs and all those things that are probably really important to you. So the cool thing is you can just learn everything step by step in my course that is just for $27 out there. But because I know that 99% of people just want to learn something for free, I was the same in the beginning, and that's my promise for you. So I put everything together on this piece of paper, and let's hope that I can just read from that and you just have this feeling that it just makes click and you just think, wow, that was amazing. So this is my goal. And yeah, let's just continue. The same thing that I see with so many other students inside my courses, that they just copy videos, they just copy the style of somebody else. So they just see a video of somebody playing and they just want to do the same exact thing. I saw it so many times. I was with a student in 2 calls. She was playing a song and she didn't even understand what she was doing. So I just told her, let's just keep it simple and let's just break it down to the very basics so she can really give herself a chance to understand what she is doing. And then she wasn't just memorizing everything, but she was really understanding what she did, and she could play it. Now when you wake her up in the middle of the night, she can just go to the piano and immediately play that same thing again and again. And I also want to let you in on this insight, because for me, I never knew how to learn piano, but I knew how to learn new songs. For me, it was just searching for YouTube videos and just taking like a whole week or 2 weeks to learn a song. And when you're at this point, you can learn a song and you can play a song or just a section of a song, which is really beautiful. But the biggest mistake I did, and many others do, is you just play the same song all over again. And I did this in the 12 years before. I really did this for years. I was just playing song the whole time, like the same song. And I know it's kinda like funny and cool to play the song because you know, oh, I can play this song, like it really feels good. But the bad thing is, you're just stuck in the piano comfort zone because you just learned a song, but you don't get out your comfort zone to learn a new song and then a new song. So it took me many months and years to finally get this, but the moment I started just learning new songs, and after this song, just another song and another song, like I got so much faster with every song I learned. It's so incredible. So don't get stuck on just one song. just keep on going. This will just increase the chances of you learning the piano as a whole. So my learnings, I put everything down here. That the most important is you need to understand what you're doing, because I know exactly how this feeling is. You're playing the piano, you're memorizing some things, but you don't actually understand something. You're just memorizing something, not even understanding what you're doing. You need to understand what you do. And of course, my mission on this channel is to give a lot of knowledge just out for free. You can also watch other YouTube channels. You can also take the course that, again, you find in the description down below. It's just $27. However you want to do it, just try to understand what you're doing and not just memorizing something that you don't even understand. Then the second thing, you need to start learning songs fast. And again, it doesn't even matter if you just type in a song name that you want to learn with tutorial on YouTube. Just find the tutorial and try to play it and to learn it, of course. It might take you a few days, it might take you a few weeks or months, but just try to learn songs. And whenever you learn the song, don't get stuck in the piano comfort zone. So don't just be happy with the song you learned. Just keep on moving, just move on to a new song, learn the new song, because this is where the skills will come. This is where the understanding of how to play the piano will come. Not just learning one piece of song or just one piece. Like, really move on with other pieces. It will get so much faster. When I started playing the piano and really just took advantage of the facts that I learned this, I was just, let's just say it took me, I think, like 3 or 4 or even 5 hours to learn a new song. But then the moment I just started to realize that, it took me 4 hours to learn a new song, then the next song like 2 hours, the next song 1 hour, and now I'm just at a point where I can learn a song in seconds, sometimes in minutes, sometimes in a few seconds. So this will just come naturally by learning more songs. So don't get stuck in the piano comfort zone. Don't just learn one song. Whenever you are finished with just a section of learning a song, just keep on with another song. Don't get stuck waiting. Really just force yourself to learn new songs and you will make so much more progress. So again, you can also do the same thing, but just checking out the course below in the description, because I've put everything together that the younger version of myself would have needed in the beginning. But of course, you can also check out other videos like this here, or just check out other YouTubers on YouTube. It's your decision. I just hope that you learn the piano and just get this amazing feeling of playing songs. I will see you in the next one.